Uh, what the? It was all just a dream? Huh? Wait, my gun. The light. Wait, I went for that door. How'd I end up here? This was just a dream. Ugh. What the hell? Ugh. Who's out there? It's locked. What the hell? Why the hell's my own damn door locked? And this door's locked from the inside, it looks like. Well, that window leads out there. And that might be locked too. Wait. What the? Wait, this kind of looks like it can open a little. Ugh. What the hell? There's a hole in the wardrobe? What the? Huh? What the hell? Ugh. Wait, this leads to... Here, what the... Oh, there's my computer. Huh. Guess I didn't take away the pumpkin, I see. Huh. My room's so messy. God. I need to clean up after myself. Well... My window's open. This must be... This is where my friends usually sleep. They were always jealous that I got the big bed, but... It's the double bed is cozy. I always thought this bed was cozy, but... It's open. Oh, there's the other room. Why is that open as well? Oh? I don't think that door's opening anytime soon. Oh, you know what? I'm just gonna get the shortcut. Oh, God. Okay, here I go. Oh! Holy crap. Oh, God. Huh? What the hell? Why the hell there's trash bags in here? So much rubbish in here. What the hell? Ah, there's a shovel. This could be useful. Okay, I'm hearing doors open. But it doesn't seem like they are opening. Ugh. Well, it doesn't matter. I got this shovel now. So, I can defend myself. Yeah. Okay. I just have to make it back. Ugh. Oh God, with a shovel in my hand. Ugh! Ugh! Well, that was the safest way of doing that. Ugh. Yeah. Someone's in my room. Who the hell's even in my room? Oh my God, who the hell's that? Ah! Oh my God, Patrick Bateman! Ah! Oh! My God! Oh my God, it's actually Patrick Bateman. Holy crap. That was chaos. Oh, there's blood everywhere. Where the hell did you even come from? Oh, close that. Make sure no one else sneaks up on me. I just hear... That's not like a pipe. What was that? There's a crack in this window. Maybe I can... Maybe it's a bit too dangerous. Alright, here goes nothing. Oh, shit!